Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change your Acura ILX battery. Before we begin, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm wrench or socket, a ratchet, and a new Group 51R battery. Safety is paramount, so make sure your ignition is off and the key is removed. It's also wise to wear safety glasses and gloves, particularly if you notice any corrosion around the battery terminals. Now let's get to disconnecting the old battery. Pop your hood and locate the battery, usually found on the driver's side. If there's a plastic cover, simply lift it off. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal first, which is typically black. Then proceed to loosen and remove the positive, or red, terminal. Finally, unfasten the two 10mm bolts securing the battery hold-down bracket. With the terminals and bracket removed, carefully lift out the old battery. Remember, batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly to prevent future corrosion. Now, gently place your new battery securely onto the clean tray. Reinstall the hold-down bracket, ensuring it's snug, and tighten its two 10mm bolts to keep the battery firmly in place. For the final steps, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Tighten these nuts to approximately 5 to 10 Nm of torque for a secure connection. Apply a layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals to protect against future buildup. Lastly, replace any battery cover you removed and remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a recycling center. You've successfully changed your Acura ILX battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.